All right, so we are working on this old MG again today. It is a 1952 or 1953. The speedometer here, the seal is broken. You can see it's falling down there. It does work, but I'm going to take it to a gauge shop, have them take the face off and clean up the glass. And the tachometer is seized, so I'm going to have them fix that as well. I've got a new cable. Hopefully it'll be a running and driving car and be presentable here soon, so stay tuned. All right, so we're getting pretty close to the house that we're going to deliver this car to. It's going to be a surprise. I don't know which house it is, but I think we'll figure it out.
Oh, hey, there's something going on. Hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama. Thank you. Oh, Lordy, Lordy, Lordy. Who do I hug first? This is what do you think?
I don't know if you're getting any of this. Here, help your brother. It's all being filmed. Listen.
I don't even.
You got to drive off into the sunset.
Was this like my mother's? Yeah.
No, no. It is your mother's.
No,
She just realized that's her mother's car.
This is my mother's car.
Yes.
You want me to try it?
You may need some instructions from the instructor before you.
There they go.
Not afraid to
No,
throw
she's
acceleration in.
ready for the racetrack. That's great.